In this video tutorial, you will learn how to create slider images in WordPress. Images speak more than words. Used properly, a single powerful image is worth 1,000 words. If your website uses effective imagery, this is no need to put long text to describe your purpose. In this tutorial, I will show you how you can make slider images in WordPress very easily using the Master Slider plugin. In your WordPress dashboard, go to Plugins, then click on Add New. In the search bar, type Master Slider and press Enter. This is the plugin. Click on Install Now to start the installation. You can see that this plugin has a very good rating, and you can check here if it is compatible with your version of WordPress. When the installation is complete, this button changes to Activate. Click on it to activate the plugin. Once the plugin is activated, you will be redirected to the plugins page. If you notice, the Master Slider icon is now on the dashboard. Click on the icon. Click here to create a new slider. You can choose from the sample sliders provided, or select the custom slider. And then click on Create. Now to add images in the slider, click here on Add Slide. Select the images from your media library or upload them. Then click on Create Slide. You can customize the slide more on your own. For now, click on Slider Settings. Give this slider a name. Then click on Save Changes. Now click on the Master Slider again. And as you can see, the slider we just created is now here. To add this to your website, you just need to copy the shortcode and paste it to wherever you want this slider to appear. Copy this shortcode. Now let's create a new page and add this to it. Let's give this page a title. And paste the shortcode here like this. Now let's preview this page. Click here on Preview and then click on Open in a new tab. And as you can see, the image slider is now created. This is how you can create slider images in WordPress. That's it for today's video. If you have any questions or comments, please leave them in the comments section below. And if you like this video, please click on the like button. If you're new to our channel, hit the subscribe button and the bell icon so you don't miss any of our future videos. Thank you for watching and see you on the next one.